Hello, friends. This is Veronica from House of Sid. I want to say Happy New Year to everyone. 2021, new year, new videos, new coffees, but same me. I'm still going to be the same Veronica. So I just want to say welcome to everyone to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. If you are already subscribed, thank you for staying and keep coming back and watching my videos. I want to say thank you to everyone last year. I had a lot of fun making these coffee videos. I initially started my channel. Oh, wow, it's almost going to be 2 years. Actually, this month, towards the end of the month, is going to be 2 years. So I think we need to plan something special for our 2-year channel anniversary. But anyways, I initially started doing travel videos and Disney videos. But as you know, around March of 2020, things changed. Not just in the US, but all over the world. So I had to change plans. And coffee is something I've always have loved. I've been drinking coffee forever. I enjoy going to different coffee shops, trying different coffees, doing different things at home. So I said, you know what, let's do something that we love that we can do at home. And then when I got these beautiful Nespresso machines, it just clicked. Coffee videos is the new House of Sid theme for our channel. So yeah, thank you. If you're enjoying these videos, as always, make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification button so you know when our videos are coming. My original schedule is Wednesdays and Sundays, but because of the holidays and some other personal things going on, my schedule's a little off. But I will continue to do 2 videos a week, Sundays and Wednesdays, so make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications, and yeah, give our videos thumbs up if you enjoy them so more people could watch them and find us. So now, if you saw my last video I made, I took a little trip to the boutique, not the last, but one of the last videos I made. I took a little trip to the Nespresso Boutique locally here where I live, and I was able to find a coffee that has been sold out online. Chocolate Fudge. So one thing I've learned about having an Nespresso for about 9 months now, 8 to 9 months, is that Nespresso will have special seasonal coffees, limited edition coffees, and when those are released online and at the boutiques, you need to pick them up. If it's a coffee that interests you, that you think you might want to like, you might want to try or like, buy it. I slept on the chocolate and the peppermint wheel because I had already bought all the holiday coffees, holiday collection for both Nespresso Virtual and Original line. So it was just a lot of coffee. And I said, oh, wait, let me have the holiday coffees, try those, make a video about those, and then I'll order the chocolate and peppermint pinwheel. Well, my bad, my mistake. I waited too long and those coffees were sold out online. But some people were saying that they were able to find them at their local boutique. So I went out to the boutique and they did have the chocolate fudge, no peppermint pinwheel. So, and a couple people did ask me if I was going to do review videos on these. I said yes, but again, I was only able to find the chocolate fudge capsule. So for now, I'm going to do my review today on the chocolate fudge capsule. And this one is a Barista creation. I'm not sure if this is a permanent line or a special limited one, but it is sold out online. If you want to buy it, you'll either have to go on Amazon, eBay, Marketplace, or down to the Nespresso Boutique if you have one nearby. So let's see. Chocolate fudge. A smooth coffee marked by its rich chocolate flavor intensity. This is a Barista creation. Chocolate fudge is chocolate flavored coffee, duh. but it all starts with the base coffee blend of Latin American and African Arabicas. Brazilian coffee gives the blend roundness and balance, whilst your Ethiopian coffee is the second split brings this delicate, aromatic, and finesse. Brings in the delicate aromatics and finesse. So basically this is, so the origins of the coffee are Brazil, Ethiopia, and other sources. It is a barista creation. So basically from what I have found out that the barista creations are created by the baristas at Nespresso, and they're made to kind of go with like milk and different creamers and such. So it's a chocolate flavored coffee. It says, enjoy the round and smooth coffee with notes of biscuit and elegant dark chocolate flavor. Ooh. It says it's a round and smooth with notes of biscuit dark chocolate flavor. It doesn't have an intensity. Yeah, that's it. Chocolate fudge. So I've had this for like over a week now, and I've been dying to taste it, but I said, no, I have to, have self-control and wait so I could do it on the video for you guys. I haven't tried it. I haven't tasted it. I've seen other people review. Some people love it. Some people don't. But let's find out together. Okay, so that's what the box looks like. It's like the dark brown chocolate fudge color. And this one, I believe the price was $11. I don't recall. Yes, $11 for 10. And this is the coffee size, which is the 7.77 ounces mug coffee size. Ooh, the capsule is pretty. Look at that. Brown with like a little drizzle on the top. You guys see that? And it says chocolate fudge. 7.7 ounces. So let's my machine's not working. Why? Okay. So let's turn this on and make a cup. So I'm really curious to see what how intense the chocolate flavor is. It says it's dark chocolate, so I enjoy dark chocolate. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm still holding out to possibly find the peppermint pinwheel capsules. So if I do find those, I will also purchase them and make a review for you guys. So, okay, my machine's ready. My capsule's in there. Let's do this. This is like, ooh, so exciting to me. Okay, I'm smelling a little chocolatey scent. Oh yeah. Definitely smells like chocolate. It almost smells kind of like hot cocoa-ish, like when you make hot cocoa. So we'll see the flavor. So I hope everyone had a nice start to the new year. And let me know what gifts Santa brought you. I know on the Nespresso group that I belong to, a lot of people received Nespressos for Christmas. So congratulations to all of you. If you received an Nespresso for Christmas, if you are new to the Nespresso world, welcome. I hope you find my videos informative and helpful, because that's really my goal, is to help anyone out there that is new to coffee, to Nespresso, and wants to learn more, because I know I'm learning. Okay, so there it is. So a little on the dark side. Crema looks nice. It does smell chocolatey. I'm kind of like a little excited, nervous. Have you ever had that feeling where you're excited but a little nervous about something? Don't ask me why. Okay, let's taste it. First taste of the Chocolate Fudge capsule for Nespresso. Okay. I'm going to mix it around a little bit because sometimes the crema can be a little bitter and we don't want bitterness. The initial flavor I'm getting is not very strong chocolate flavor. I am getting a little chocolatiness, but not super strong. The coffee itself is not too light because I know one of the issues some people have said that the flavored capsules from Nespresso were very, very light. Like the holiday ones were very light. This one's a little more medium, I would say. I'm trying to decide if the chocolate flavor hits you in the beginning or at the end. So let me take one more sip. Kind of in the beginning, in the middle. Let's try it with a little bit of creamer, half and half. I always like to try the coffee black without anything in it to kind of get the flavors and the notes, and then I'll add creamer. And I haven't seen if Nespresso has any recipes. I'm sure they do for this capsule. So if you find them, let me know, and I'll look for them too. Okay. Okay, I think the cream, half and half, creamer does bring out a little bit more chocolatiness and creaminess. It's not bad, actually. The chocolate flavor is not super strong, so if you want a heavy, strong chocolate flavored coffee, this is not going to be it for you. It's subtle, it's smooth and mild. It's actually pretty good. I like it. And I have an idea. So let me go to my refrigerator and I'll tell you what my idea is for this capsule. So recently I was given this condensed milk. I really, really recommend and love condensed milk for your coffee because it gives it a little sweetness, a little creaminess, and you can use this to flavor it instead of a syrup. So I was recently given this condensed milk, and it's called Choco Avellana, which is in Spanish chocolate hazelnut. So it's kind of a Nutella-ish flavored condensed milk. And I was thinking, this might taste good with the chocolate fudge. Add a little extra creaminess, add a little extra chocolatiness. Okay, let's give it a try. And you could add hazelnut spread, Nutella. This is chocolate hazelnut condensed milk. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that is good. So if you want a little more chocolatiness, a little more creaminess, you could add hazelnut spread, Nutella, Or even, I think even if you just added regular condensed milk, it would bring out, with the sweetness, it would bring out the flavors a little more. And I think that's why these capsules are barista creations, because they're meant for you to be used with creamers or syrups or other, use them in other recipes other than just plain black coffee. So overall, I think I really do like this chocolate fudge capsule. I'm normally not a huge fan of flavored coffees. Some of the holiday flavored coffees from Nespresso were a little disappointing, but this one I like it. Doesn't taste artificial, because some flavored coffees to have that like chemically artificial flavored aftertaste. This does not. It's not very chocolatey, strong chocolatey flavor. It's kind of like a medium mild flavor, but I like it. I think it's good if you want something different, if you like adding syrups, creamers. This will probably taste really good with some froth milk. I added some of the hazelnut chocolate condensed milk, or even just maybe like a little chocolate syrup. I don't know. I think if you like chocolate, like I do, and you want to try it, pick it up. And my tip is, when new flavors are released online or at the boutiques, buy at least one sleeve if you want to try them, because they will usually sell out, and some of them might get restocked, some of them might not. So I learned my lesson. I'm glad I found it. I will be searching for the peppermint pinwheel or any other new flavors that are coming out. And my recommendation is try it. If you like chocolate flavored coffees, try it. It's good. And if you add a little extra in there, it tastes even better. So yeah, if you like this video, again, give us a thumbs up. Share our videos with your coffee-loving friends and family. That's really helping our channel grow. I appreciate everyone watching, everyone giving us thumbs up. I love reading your comments. So let me know if you've tried this chocolate fudge capsule. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Did you try the peppermint pinwheel capsule? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Let me know what's your favorite coffee currently from Nespresso. I want to hear from you guys. Again, thanks everyone for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. And that's it. We'll see you guys next week. I'm going to go enjoy my chocolate fudge coffee. Thanks, guys. Bye. See you next week. Ooh, that little hazelnut chocolate hits the spot.